darkness. I was born in it. They talking about us. They talking about you. Now, we know that this darkness is the subconscious mind. Out of darkness comes light. You have to get back to your great by and by with your spirit. That darkness is what you need to be running to, because everything is in the dark. But once you turn on these light bulbs, it becomes light. Out of darkness comes light. You can't get light to darkness. Right? You have to bring out something that's hidden from in the darkness to become the light. So if you want to get into your bag, you want to get into your power, you have to go into the work of what? Spiritual work, right? Subconscious mind programming, communication back and forth with spirit, with your ancestors, right? All of these things that we're doing on a daily basis is to impact that, or is to communicate back and forth with it, so we can move in a certain flow that that puts us on our path.